Hi, this is Shahid Kapoor.
Hi, this is Alia Bhatt.
And you are watching us on
Bollywood Hungama.
Yeah.
I can't believe तुमने लाइफ में कभी किया नहीं है. Well, that is a sort of double meaning and inquisitive dialogues that we have in Shandar, and we have with us the team of Shandar with us, Shahid Kapoor and Alia Bhatt. A huge pleasure to have you back on Bollywood Hungama, both of you.
First of all, thank you for calling us the team. There is a much larger team lying behind us, which is the true team of Shandar. But we're happy to be teaming it up.
Yeah, we're happy to be the face of the team.
Face of the team, okay. So, क्या कहना है आपका? That I can't believe तुमने लाइफ में कभी किया नहीं है. तो what exactly?
तो यही कहना है
के अलावा तो मतलब
फरीदुन तुम्हें पूरे 2.5 मिनट के प्रोमो में यही डायलॉग याद रहा. हाँ,
देखिए मैं आपको
मतलब it must have worked.
जनता की आवाज. This is Bollywood हंगामा, जनता की आवाज है. This is something that
देखो बीच में विकास बहल बीच में आया, डायरेक्टेड बाय विकास बहल, और उसके बाद इमीडिएटली आया. तुमने कभी हाथ में फेविकॉल नहीं लगाया?
Right. नहीं फेविकॉल नहीं लगाया, वो तो खैर एक ऑब्वियस चीज है. बट स्टिल इफ यू लाइक टू मे बी आई थिंक शी इज मोर I think forthcoming in these matters. So
What is that?
Yeah, you are more forthcoming.
I'm more forthcoming means what?
If you'd like to, he's a bit.
No, I mean,
you can.
अगर आप logically सोच रहे
Great
हो,
image.
अगर
लॉजिक नहीं.
forthcoming जो हूँ मैं.
Frank and forthcoming.
पर मैं क्वेश्चन क्या है कि क्वेश्चन क्या है कि ये सवाल का मतलब क्या है कि यहाँ मैंने एक सवाल क्यों पूछा है? What's your question?
ये इन द सेंस कि एक लड़का और लड़की रात में जो है बैठ के अगर कुछ बातें कर रहे हैं तो इज इट ओनली अबाउट फेविकॉल?
I think अगर मैं कैरेक्टर्स के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ, of course it's only about फेविकॉल. अगर हम कैरेक्टर्स के बाहर आएंगे, I don't think मैं पूछूंगी, I can't believe कि तुमने लाइफ में कभी किया नहीं. At least I've never had that encounter, you know, where not I or I don't know of anybody who's had that encounter कि एक लड़का लड़की you know जो भी करने से पहले पूछ रहे कि I can't believe तुमने किया नहीं है.
आपको समझ में आया कि मैंने क्या एक्सप्लेन किया? Did you understand what exactly उन्होंने एक्सप्लेन किया? मतलब I'm trying to understand.
बेसिकली पॉइंट ये है
जी
कि ये बहुत जेनरिक लाइन है.
हाँ.
और आपके ऊपर है आप इसको कैसा लेना चाहते हैं.
Exactly.
आपने कैसे लिया, ये मेरा आपसे सवाल है कि
मेरी
आपने
मेंटालिटी
इसको
शो
कैसे
करता है.
लिया.
अच्छा
मैं पूछ रहा हूँ आपका क्या कॉन्टेक्स्ट है बॉस.
बिल्कुल नहीं, मेरा ये
आपके मन में क्या ख्याल है?
मेरा ये है उसमें कि
सबके मन में यही ख्याल है शायद.
क्या
Everybody.
ये बात तो है डायरेक्टेड बाय विकास है.
नहीं मैं आपको बताना चाह रहा हूँ, मेरा ये था कि शायद गम होना चाहिए था. मुझे ऐसा लगा.
गम बोले
फेविकॉल नहीं, मतलब गम गोंद जो होता है,
गोंद भी चिपकाते हाथ पे
तो वो
निकलती है. लेकिन
फेविकॉल
आपने
से
ट्राई किया बचपन में?
Don't lie. Please, the double meaning of gum and Fevicol is not the
you are all those
meaning. We are all smart here.
आज फरीदुन काफी मूड में है.
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं. नहीं हम लोग हमारे और आलिया के इंटरव्यूज जनरली बहुत मूड में होते हैं. आपकी पिक्चरें आप इंटरटेनिंग स्टार्ट हुई हैं.
ये क्या है? मैंने क्या किया है?
पता नहीं आप और आलिया पहले इंटरव्यूज में क्या करते थे. चलो आज पता चल
अभी
जाएगा.
आप देखिए हैदर वेदर टाइप की आप सीरियस फिल्में कर रहे हैं, अब आप इंटरटेनिंग फिल्में कर रहे हैं, तो उसमें इस वजह से वो चीज शिफ्ट हो रही है. अब ग्रेजुअली आप
एंटरटेनिंग फिल्में कर रहे हैं.
जी जी
तो
बिल्कुल
एंटरटेनिंग सवाल पूछिए.
एंटरटेनिंग ही है. आप देखिएगा रिएक्शन देखिएगा. एक चीज ये भी है कि दैट शाहिद कपूर आप पे एक इल्जाम है.
क्या है?
इनफैक्ट मैं आलिया से मैं उसके बारे में पूछना चाहूंगा कि दैट आपने इवेंट्स में आपने कहा है कि दैट these kids of these days and these kids and I don't know whether they'll be able
new
to
generation, yeah.
this new generation.
इल्जाम लगाओ.
मुझे भी बड़ी डांट पड़ती है.
ये जो है कि मतलब ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप you are some 50-year-old or something like that.
I know. He's only like 30 something, like young.
Right. So
give some answer.
So उसमें ये एक आपके ऊपर इल्जाम जो है क्या ये
मैं आपको समझाता इसके पीछे वजह क्या है. मुझे ऐसा क्यों फील होता है क्योंकि मेरे जितने भी भाई बहन हैं वो सब 18 to 23 के एज ग्रुप में
जी,
और आलिया जो है ये उसी एज ग्रुप में बैठती है. तो इसलिए मुझे ऐसा लगता है बिकॉज आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन ओल्डर देन माई सिबलिंग्स. मेरी बहन जो है वो मुझसे 8 साल छोटी है और मेरे दोनों भाई जो हैं मुझसे 10 साल छोटे हैं. तो मुझे हमेशा ऐसा लगता है कि आई नीड टू बी मुझे हमेशा ऐसा लगा दैट आई एम द एल्डर ब्रदर, आई हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ देम. तो मुझे आलिया के साथ भी वही फीलिंग आती है बिकॉज ये उनके एज ग्रुप की ही है. तो आई फील अ लिटिल लाइक आई नीड टू गिव हर द राइट एडवाइस.
Please don't say you feel like my elder brother.
Elder brother and everything.
This is elder brother, yeah. वो सिबलिंग्स का कन्वर्सेशन था.
अच्छा लेकिन इसमें जो है आप ये बताइए कि इसके अंदर नेचर का क्या उसमें रोल है कि अगर आपके बीच में जो है ज्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं लगता है,
किसके बीच में?
आप और आलिया के बीच में, इफ यू लुक मोर और लेस द सेम एज ग्रुप, तो उसमें नेचर का एक रूल है, तो उसको आप एक्सेप्ट करिए. आप बार-बार हाफ नहीं करना चाहिए. एक
थैंक यू फरीदुन.
सीरियसली
प्लीज.
यू आर नॉट द फर्स्ट वन. मुझे 2-3 लोगों ने डांटा है इसके बाद. बट मेरे नेचर पता नहीं, मैं ऐसे ही हूं, मैं मुंह से कुछ भी
नाइस. He likes to have fun with it.
हाँ, I like
But at the
that
same
part.
time वो ज्यादा ही कुछ मतलब you know you are very
4-5 events
mature.
तो मैंने सुना है,
इसमें कोई
तीन
बुराई
चार
नहीं
event
है,
मैंने सुना है।
नहीं नहीं, he also says extra. उसके
जी।
बाद no, he says that, but at the same time he says Alia, you know you're very mature for your age. जो तुम
मैंने आज तक
mature
कभी नहीं
star
कहा
हो.
लिया that you're mature really.
Shut up. You told me you're an old soul.
Please. I told you old soul. Old soul has nothing to do with maturity.
Then where do you get the oldness from?
That's a spiritual
No, you
conversation.
told
It's
me
an
I'm
intellectual
mature. There's
conversation.
one time you told me, I'll remind you. You
एक
told
दिन
me.
था,
एक दिन
हुआ
था.
आपकी लाइफ में जब आप मेच्योर थे.
जी जी
एक दिन
Okay,
You
था.
want to be mature or you don't want to be mature?
I don't mind it.
राइट
You like the
I
mature
think I
vibe.
am.
बहुत mature है लड़की.
शी
ये बहुत सुलझी हुई समझी
जी
हुई लड़की है.
बिल्कुल
वो तो
बिल्कुल
नहीं।
नहीं
बिल्कुल
चाहिए वैसा वाइब. तुम्हें यंग वाइब चाहिए कि तुम्हें सीरियस वाइब चाहिए? क्या वाइब चाहिए?
मुझे मेरा vibe चाहिए. मेरा vibe क्या है? मुझे
गिव मी
ये-
द रिक्वायरमेंट, फिर मैं उस हिसाब से चलूंगा.
I want what I want.
Weirdo.
लेट्स मे बी स्लाइटली इनफैक्ट थोड़ा सा चेंज करते
जी.
हैं. जैसे एक इंटायरली एक प्रोमो में एक वो है टर्न इट ऑन, ब्लिंग इट ऑन. आलिया भट्ट
जी.
शी इज कमिंग आई थिंक इन दैट बिकनी मोमेंट.
जी. अच्छा, she comes at that time.
Yeah, turn
अरे
it
साथी
on.
ने बड़ा ऑब्जर्व किया है प्रोमो.
अब आप रिसर्च तो करनी पड़ेगी.
पहला सवाल,
Research
फरीदुन शहरयार. मुझे लगता था सब वन ऑफ द मोस्ट शरीफ इंटरव्यूअर्स, द नाइसेस्ट. फर्स्ट सवाल, तुमने कभी किया नहीं है? नेक्स्ट सवाल, टर्न इट ऑन, ब्लिंग इट ऑन, आलिया भट्ट इन बिकिनी. पूछो.
नहीं देखिए अब आप
Horse riding shots भी हैं. If you want to go there, let's go there, bro.
We can go there.
We have horse
I
riding
thought
shots.
about it.
Come
but
on.
We can
We have
go
close-ups
there.
where both of us
नहीं,
are going
उसकी
like
बात.
this. Come
देखिए
on.
आप रिसर्च तो
Let's
करना
go for
पड़ता
it, bro.
है. रिसर्च करना
Let's go
पड़ता
for
है. जो वैलिड है वो वैलिड है.
Valid है.
शाहिद कपूर आप उसमें you
आजकल
can
तो
हाँ,
सब
okay,
valid
okay,
हो गया.
पूछिए.
तो उसमें आपका क्या आपका रिएक्शन अगर होगा
अबाउट बिकिनी एग्जैक्टली जो फिल्म के अंदर मैं आलिया को देख के रिएक्ट करता हूँ,
आपका
मेरा
body
real life
language change हो
में
जाता है.
वही रिएक्ट
जी.
था. मैं ऐसे मस्त भाग रहा हूँ कूल बनते हुए और सडनली मुझे आलिया दिखती है और मैं सब भूल के सिर्फ उसको देखने लगता हूँ. मेरा एग्जैक्टली ऐसा ही रिएक्शन था. लेकिन इस शॉट के पीछे
एक
जो
body-
सैक्रिफाइस
जी वो सब पता है
आलिया ने किया है
इन टर्म्स ऑफ द
तो
कोल्ड
मुझे वो
वेदर.
सब याद आया. इट्स नॉट ओनली कोल्ड वेदर.
Right.
ये और मैं, मेरा तो बिकिनी शॉट था नहीं तो पता नहीं मैं क्यों कर रहा था, बट इनके लिए रीजन था
जी.
कि हम दोनों ने इतने छोटे छोटे बोल्स के अंदर सेम मील 2 या 2.5 महीने रोज खाया है, बिकॉज वी वर ट्राइंग टू गेट फिट एंड लुक आवर बेस्ट एंड ऑल दैट. तो मुझे जब भी उनका वो शॉट याद आता है, मुझे यही याद आता है कि उन्होंने बहुत मेहनत की, उन्होंने बहुत ट्राई किया और ये बहुत विगरसली रेगुलरली वर्कआउट करती थी. मुझे याद है कई दिन ऐसे होते थे मैं बड़ा थका हुआ होता था और मैं जिम में एंटर करता था और वहाँ पे आलिया ट्रेडमिल के ऊपर साइकोटिक ऐसा लगी हुई होती थी, चाहे सुबह 6 बजे कभी सुबह 5 बजे. तो शी रियली वर्क हार्ड फॉर दैट शॉट एंड इट वाज अ रियली बिग डील फॉर हर. सो आई फील वेरी हैप्पी दैट उसको बहुत पॉजिटिव रिस्पॉन्स मिल रहा है.
बिल्कुल. अब आप उनको एक अगर इफ यू हैव टू जस्ट इन ऑल द women who have been there in bikini in Hindi movies, where will you rate Alia Bhatt's
आप मतलब जेनरिकली तो मैं ऐसे कैसे कह सकता
जी अगर आप मतलब you've seen you're a Hindi movie lover as well, so अगर आप if
I
you
don't
would
think
like
I've
to-
reached anything high anyway. I'm just saying for myself.
I
but
think she's
anyway.
done very well for herself. Yeah, why to
Right.
compare her to other people? ऐसे आई डोंट लाइक कंपैरिजंस लाइक दैट कि इसकी बिकिनी बॉडी इतनी थी उतनी थी. वो मैगजीन में पढ़ना अच्छा लगता है, इंटरव्यू में कमेंट करना थोड़ा वियर्ड लगेगा.
ये देखिए थोड़ा डिप्लोमेटिक तो ये
डिप्लोमेटिक
है,
नहीं बोल रहा
ये
हूँ,
आप
ऑनेस्टली
accept
बोल रहा हूँ.
करेंगे
हाउ
आप,
टू से
मतलब
लाइक दैट
this
कि
is-
ये
this is-
बिकिनी अच्छी
नहीं,
थी और
नहीं,
ये
ये
बिकिनी का ऐसे.
आलिया भट्ट
अगर
आप accept-
आपको पूछा जाएगा,
Seriously, जी.
आपके मतलब you know it becomes you put in a tough spot
No,
जब
it's
आप
not a tough spot. It's honestly different people have different images.
हाँ, exactly.
उसकी personality जैसे है, I don't think people expected her to do so well, but she's done very well for herself in that. You know, you have to give her
Fantastic.
credit for that.
Fantastic. Okay, now you've had several movies to your credit so far, but is it something that maybe you've enjoyed the maximum in terms of?
शानदार.
Yeah, is it something?
See, maximum I think मैं नहीं कहूँगी. I don't know how to quantify enjoyment in maximum or minimum क्योंकि हर एक फिल्म की experience अलग होती है. You have a special connection with each film, but definitely मैं ये कहूँगी कि शानदार was a very very unique experience for all of us. And just being on that set, being far away from home, सबका एक bond मिल गया. You know, I never thought that I genuinely me and Shahid would hit it off in such like you always hit it off with a core actor, but we genuinely have formed a real friendship, and that doesn't happen very much when you're working, you know, because you're constantly going from film to film, set to set. You're more like this thing, tunnel vision. In this case, it was not really like that. Even with Vikas, even with the whole team, I also feel like there was a certain ease and comfort जब हम film बना रहे थे. We were all in a very happy space. So overall experience was definitely different. It was not an experience I've had before, and different is always very good. Not always, but sometimes very good.
Fantastic. The entire chemistry that you're having with your father, I think it's something I would love to do an interview with you and your father, because I think you guys are having a terrific
I would love to
chemistry.
do an interview with my father, but he apparently doesn't enjoy them too much. He's very happy doing his own
No,
thing.
seriously, trust me, we'll have fun, because I think this entire thing, एक दिन घोड़ी पे आऊंगा, उठा के ले जाऊंगा, क्या कर लोगे?
Yeah.
तो आना फिर बताऊंगा क्या कर लूंगा. The entire and that Raju Irani bit as well, that आम आदमी तुच्छ प्राणी and
Can I just say something?
जी प्लीज.
एक दिन घोड़ी पे आऊंगा, उठा के ले जाऊंगा. The fact that you remember this, मैं एक बता दूं, I don't think
मेरी रिसर्च पूरी है, मैंने पूरा प्रोमो छापा हुआ है, आप देख सकते हैं.
पूरा इंटरव्यू ऐसे दे रहे हो सामने तो देखो.
इतना
वो तो
अच्छा
कैमरे
लाइन
हमारे
है.
काफी है ना, वो हम लोग एडिट
बाद
कर
में
लेंगे.
करोगे.
हाँ, वो करने
वो इतना अच्छा.
You shoot it separately.
नहीं, we have 3 cameras.
Oh, like that.
So while I'm
Oh, you
looking over
put
here,
this
so
side.
that will be good. Yeah.
वो इतना अच्छा लाइन है. वो एक्चुअली जो सीन उन्होंने शूट किया था, वो स्केड्यूल के एकदम लास्ट शॉट में शूट किया था.
Okay.
रात को, एंड इट वाज फ्रीजिंग कोल्ड. उस बात पे हालत इतनी खराब हो गई थी. आई हैड जस्ट फेंटेड 1 hour बिफोर. शाहिद को लुंगी में ये सीन करना था, एंड इट वाज इन द नाइट. एंड आई रिमेंबर उस टाइम पे शाहिद, एंड ही वाज वेरी वेरी इल. उनको बुखार भी था.
What did
पंकज
it
सर
be?
वाज नॉट वेल, एंड ही वाज वेरी वेरी सिक. एंड व्हेन आई सॉ दैट शॉट, आई कुड नॉट बिलीव. आपको कभी ऐसा फील होगा कि उस टाइम पे कुछ दिक्कत हुई होगी, दैट दे वर स्ट्रगलिंग, बिकॉज़ ही सेड इट सो ऐसे टूथपेस्ट लगा के उसने ऐसे बोला है.
बट अगर आप देखोगे तो मुंह से धुआं निकल रहा है थ्रू आउट सीन में मुंह से.
Right.
It was really cold. So I have to say that ये जब वो line, because everybody's picked on this line and nobody knows what went behind actually doing that line.
No, absolutely.
शायद is coming I don't know, because everybody was it was so cold that time.
जी बिल्कुल. अगर आप कुछ बताना चाहें the entire
I think
Mr. Pankaj Kapoor, you also have like that.
जी नो, सबसे एक्साइटिंग चीज इस फिल्म के बारे में यही है
Airplane
कि
mode.
जो नोक-झोंक मेरे और डैड के बीच में चल रही
जी.
है, वो आई थिंक इज गोना बी वेरी एक्साइटिंग, बिकॉज नोबडी इज गोना एक्सपेक्ट फादर एंड सन टू बी गोइंग एट ईच अदर लाइक दैट. और
जी.
फिल्म के कैरेक्टर्स ऐसे हैं कि वो ऑब्वियसली आलिया के फादर प्ले कर रहे हैं, एंड ही हेट्स एनी बॉय अराउंड आलिया आल्सो. मतलब आसपास भी कोई घूमे तो उनको बिल्कुल जमता नहीं है. और मैं तो मतलब हाथ पांव धो के पीछे पड़ गया हूँ लड़की के, ऐसा वाला vibe है.
जी,
तो वो फर्स्ट सीन से, फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट शॉट वेयर मी एंड डैड come together, and that's the opening of the film only. वहीं से there's a total, ये जो भी डायलॉग था, ओए 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 ओए, वो सब वो जो चल रहा है, वो शुरुआत ही वहीं से होती है. So the entire relationship in the whole film is like that, and it was very nice to do that, because you would expect people to cast you कि भाई father and son है तो उस equity को use करो, emotional equity बनाओ. But विकास का जो quirky take है, वो जो अलग तरीके से present करते हैं, उनका thought mind ही उल्टा चलता है. I really like the fact that he pit us against us in that kind of space. I mean, I'm smoking a cigarette in front of him. I'm saying क्या कर लोगे, this that, काफी सारी चीजें. आप फिल्म देखोगे तो आपको पता चलेगा.
See, Alia, you've been praised for your acting in general, and I think you're a growing actress in your own right. When an actor asks you that कहाँ गई थी, तो you say that इधर उधर. So the way he says कि इधर, सिर्फ that, I think that moment in his eyes, the way he communicates, do you find it like hugely inspiring in a way?
Hugely. I have to say कि actually मुझे बहुत सारे ऐसे मौके मिले to do scenes with Pankaj sir, because he is playing my father. और all the scenes are so cute and so moving and so lovely, because it's a father-daughter relationship that is, and बहुत ही effortless है, जैसे लिखा गया था also. So when I'm obviously doing the scenes with him, I was initially very nervous. But I think सबसे ज़्यादा important क्या चीज़ होती है, जब जो आपके सामने जो actor है, he kind of gives you that kind of space to come into his space. And Pankaj sir did exactly that. He literally welcomed me with open arms into his space. और जब वो होता है, then the connection is instant. कभी-कभी शायद ऐसे confuse हो जाते थे कि मेरे पिता है कि इनके पिता है, because he was so connected to me on set. और बहुत inspiring है, क्योंकि also I would see him asking Vikas so many questions, before the shot. अच्छा, why don't we do this? Why don't we do that? And after so many years, to be as involved as probably, or as inquisitive or curious probably as a newcomer would be, is so inspiring, because that basically means you're growing with each and every film, each and every scene, each and every shot that you do.
जी. I spoke to the music director Amit Trivedi almost a few months back, and he was extremely excited about the Shandar album.
Oh, finally he was excited. पहले तो बीच में वो कह रहे थे मेरे को नहीं करनी तुम्हारी पिक्चर.
नहीं, but
he was saying ये commercial, तुम मुझे कह रहे हो commercial गाने दो.
नहीं,
I want to do what I want to do and all.
So I think the entire album, I think it's
he's killed it in the album.
Okay, now I was just listening to the jukebox in the morning, and there is this song called Senti Wali Mental, and there is this lyrics that तू selfie उसकी खींच ले कि मच्छर मच्छर भी काटे तो सेल्फी उसकी खींच ले। Now it's as wacky as it gets actually that कि मच्छर भी काटे तो सेल्फी उसकी, that's but it's very modern as well. You'll have to I think click a lot of selfies
yes,
yourself.
of course. I think it's the coolest thing. Everybody is doing it these days. And the person.
मच्छर के साथ में selfie?
और जिस मच्छर के साथ मैं आज तक वो क्या है वो आया नहीं है फ्रेम में। मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ एक दिन पकड़ूंगा, पर मुझे जिन्होंने सेल्फी खींचना सिखाया है, बताओ कैसे तुमने मुझे Instagram. Come on, Shahid, you have to be on Instagram, dude. It's the coolest thing to do and all
But
that.
hasn't he taken
ये
over
तो pro.
Instagram?
What rubbish? You're a pro Instagram pro.
Princeton.
Instagram. You've been there on Instagram for I don't know how since it was launched.
Yeah, I've
From the start.
But he's spoken about your Instagram selfies, which I'm very happy about that you've taken over this Insta space.
Instagram में मैंने बात भी नहीं करी।
अच्छा, whatever selfie space, हाँ।
Okay.
But हमारी सेल्फी तो अब Instagram पे
जी
देखोगे और
बिल्कुल।
आपका
Music
Instagram
in
मैंने
general.
देखा है।
आपको Instagram पे
जी मैं हूँ।
What's your name?
आप selfies खींचते हो मच्छर के साथ।
I Faridun on Instagram. Check it out, guys.
Yes, I'll surely do that now. Okay, now.
I asked him if he took a selfie with मच्छर।
Okay, this
आपने लिए मच्छर के साथ?
मैं I'm inspired to surely do it. Idea आ जाएगा।
अरे जब मच्छर काट रहा होगा तो उसको मारोगे कि सेल्फी लोगे उसके साथ?
Imagine भी नहीं किया था that one can do it actually, but it's really creative. Okay, but
अच्छा ये मुझसे से मैंने मच्छर की लाइन लिखी है देखो। ले लो सेल्फी। फोटो खींच बेटा भेज दे।
आ गया वापस।
Okay, now I think the music is done.
Shit, cancel.
No, don't kill.
The music in general, नज़दीकियाँ और नींद न मुझको आए, गुलाबो and शाम शानदार. I think almost all the songs. I think.
और एक और आने वाले रायता पड़ गया जो मुझे बहुत.
Okay, and I think the picturization of नज़दीकियाँ personally I felt was beautiful. I think the way it has been, it's totally black and white and all that.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. So what is your take on the music and what is your favorite song?
Me and Alia have our personal favorites because एक में ये अपने परफॉर्मेंस से बहुत खुश हैं, एक में मैं अपने परफॉर्मेंस से बहुत खुश हूँ. मुझे शाम शानदार बहुत अच्छा लगता है और
मुझे गुलाबो।
हम अपने आप से बहुत खुश हैं.
But I also like शाम शानदार।
I also like गुलाबो.
And we both collectively love रायता।
Yeah, we love रायता.
Collectively रायता.
We have come to
रायता
an
भी
agreement.
निकलने वाली, रायता भी फैलने वाली, आप सब
जितना
देख लो।
बकवास हम लोगों ने उस वीडियो में किया है शायद ही आप कभी हमें करते हुए देखें.
We've taken a few questions
Weirdo.
from your fans, and lots of them they've requested that अगर if you guys can maybe hum a couple of lines from शाम शानदार.
ये तो प्रोफेशनल सिंगर है, मेरी बेसुरी भैरवी कौन सुनना चाहिए?
शाम शानदार
मिलके।
बोला है या गुलाबो बोला है?
मैंने जितना देखा शाम शानदार ज्यादा
ठीक है तो शाम शानदार। अरे मैं compete नहीं कर रही थी।
the way she asked.
I'm just checking.
I'm
so that
just
we can do the
reacting.
correct
I'm
song.
just like
जी।
reacting.
चलो, which one do we do?
गुलाबो कर ले
नहीं,
तेरा
शाम
दिल
शानदार,
दिल
but
रहे.
which-
You like the
which
rap
point?
of गुलाबो?
आप दोनों का
शाम शानदार।
एक कोलैबोरेशन कर दिया.
Start only.
हाँ, सर, okay.
1, 2, 3.
सर झुका के कर सलाम है शाम शानदार, ओ आसमां से आ गिरी है शाम शानदार।
I'm doing that thing. What
Yeah,
is it
yeah.
called? क्या बोलते हैं
Upper and lower.
उसको क्या बोलते हैं?
I don't know.
अरे यार वो जो हार्मोनाइजिंग.
Harmonizing.
Then
चक
दे अंधेरा चांद जला दे बल्ब बना के,
तररंग तररंग
फिक्र न करियो करना भी क्या है बिजली बचा के, सरे आम पिला खुशी के जाम शाम, ओ आसमां से आ गिरी है शाम शानदार।
ये स्टेप्स भी कर रही है, सब कर रही है.
Fantastic.
I have to
So
sing and
yeah,
dance.
fantastic. We'll talk about your dancing very soon as well. A lot of stake
This
that you
one.
guys have discussed that. Okay, we have these I think a few interesting segments. I don't know how much these guys will allow me, but I
We will
think
allow.
really-
Go for
they
it,
will.
यार, मजा आ रहा है.
Okay, we're having this rapid fire section which you specialize in.
Yes, let's do it. Who specializes?
I don't specialize at all in this section.
Competition. मैं तैयार हूँ.
Okay, we're starting with Shahid.
Okay,
Males first.
Yeah,
if okay.
males first.
Okay.
Males first मैंने first time सुना है. चलो.
जी craziest thing you have ever done because मेरे actually line में आपका पहले craziest thing you have ever done one of your insomniac nights.
Craziest thing that I have ever done. I sat in my car. I went and picked up 4 friends and I drove straight to Goa.
Oh,
I just got up one night because
That's
नींद नहीं आ रही थी.
great,
We drove all night,
bro.
yeah. और हम लोगों ने पूरी रात में we got that fog and so we left thinking and then we were driving behind a truck for 25 kilometers because there was so much fog on the way. But yeah, one of those crazy things.
Okay, sweetest thing Alia has done for you. Apparently, I think he gifted you a jacket or something.
He gifted me a lot of things, but
Yeah.
Sweetest thing Alia has done. You've never done anything sweet. For me.
keep quiet.
What have you done for me?
Not say there are so many
I'm
sweet things.
thinking. What have you done? कान में बता दे, मैं बोल दूँगा, edit कर देंगे ये तो. Oh, Alia took care of me. When was it? Alia took really good care of me
In
when I was.
Poland,
I was really unwell and Alia took very good care of me.
Okay.
In Poland.
In Poland. Okay, and
what's wrong with you? How can you make it look like I've made you say this?
okay,
I forgot it.
Alia and me really get along. She used to take care of my food also a lot of the times. We
Bilkul.
used to always go to this place called Pret and we used to eat together. And
Okay.
she used to make sure that I'm happy with the food that I'm eating and she
जी,
used to take
बिल्कुल,
care of me. I
बिल्कुल.
was just kidding and messing with her.
Fantastic.
निकाल देना था.
okay, now this
Pick right,
is.
रख देना.
This is a hypothetical question actually. This is.
Everything is always hypothetical.
Yeah, not
So
necessarily.
hypothetical questions have hypothetical answers?
That
Yes.
is up to you.
Okay.
A Bollywood actress with whom you'd like to swim in a pond at midnight.
Oh.
अभी शादी हुई है यार, गलत टाइम पे.
That is
गलत
a
सवाल
hypothetical.
पूछा.
मैंने बोल दिया मतलब that I just took me.
मेरे मन में कोई ऐसे आ ही नहीं रहे आंसर्स. पता नहीं क्या हो गया है. कब सच ए गुड हस्बैंड. शिट यार. नेक्स्ट. बहुत अच्छा हस्बैंड हो गया हूँ मैं.
Your most Shandar film till date, apart from Shandar. Because I
Apart from Shandar, my
Yeah.
most Shandar film till date. Yet to come. It's called Udta Punjab.
अच्छा, we are hearing great things about that. Okay.
I mean for me it's a very personal reason. ऐसा नहीं है
जी.
कि लोगों को वैसा लगे आपको लगे, but मेरे लिए personally because it was a very challenging role. वो जब उसकी बात करेंगे तो मैं.
Must be. Hottest Bollywood actress other than Alia.
I think there's a lot of them. I think Katrina, Deepika both are very hot. They're looking very good these days.
Okay.
इधर क्यों देख रहे तू ऐसा?
I don't
बीच
know.
में आग लगाने की क्यों कोशिश कर रहा है? छी!
I'll just share one thing with you. Recently, I interviewed Deepika Padukone and Imtiaz Ali. So I asked him the same question. He said that 1 to 10 is Deepika Padukone. After that, so I just remembered that. Honestly.
Okay. Remembered an answer which you found funny.
Yeah. Okay. Pankaj Kapoor or Sana, who's a tougher critic?
Neither. Both of them are very loving and supportive.
They're very loving.
My toughest critic is Ishan.
All right.
True.
Okay, now I think Arya Bhatt, I think he has done reasonably well. So now it's your turn. Just outdo him.
outdo him.
Just outdo him. Hypothetically. Okay, an actor other than Shahid you'd like to see dance in your wedding?
Oh.
मतलब मेरा तो नंबर है ना, मेरे को नाचने को मिलेगा.
Tiger
जी,
Shroff.
बिल्कुल. Tiger Shroff. Okay. Your first reaction when you read about the Fevicol scene. Your honest first reaction when you heard about the.
He wrote it
Fevicol.
there only.
हम लोग ने वहाँ पे ही लिखा था.
And we all found it very funny and we said let's do
because
it.
क्योंकि I have also done this a lot in life and Shahid's never done Fevicol in
Actually
his life.
discovered it
He
there.
discovered it. तो बहुत ही real moment था. जो भी आप देखे सब real है.
Okay. Your honest first reaction when you learn that you'll be doing a film with Shah Rukh Khan.
Not the scary one, the happy one.
Okay, if you have to write. Okay. I've never seen an actress laugh so wonderfully.
इससे किसी ने पूछा था और पिक्चर करेगी कि नहीं, मिल गया आपको जवाब.
If you have to write a book on the following actors, what will it be called? Varun Dhawan.
Sorry?
If you have to write a book on the following actors, what will it be called? Varun Dhawan.
मैं सबका hero.
Shahid Kapoor.
शाहिद कपूर.
अरे प्रमोट कर दे पिक्चर को. शानदार.
शानदार शाहिद.
Siddharth Malhotra.
Beautiful.
Siddharth Malhotra, beautiful. Arjun Kapoor.
Funny.
Shaheen.
I'm giving one word. One
Who's
sentence.
Shaheen?
My sister. Arjun Kapoor, I would
Like
say.
that, you said actress,
I
that's
would say for Arjun Kapoor, I would say
Acha,
something like to do with funny, like being funny because he's very funny. So give me some, be creative a little bit. Cute. Fabulous and funny.
Okay, that is Arjun Kapoor.
Yeah.
And Shaheen?
Shaheen.
Yeah, she's not
My
an actress,
sister.
but nevertheless.
Shaheen, I think, would just be. If I had to book and the title would be Ain't Nobody Like Me.
Ain't Nobody Like Me. Okay, and Mahesh Bhatt sir?
Actually, that should be there for him. Ain't Nobody Like Me. Part 2. My father.
Me too. Ain't nobody like me too.
Me too.
A film you saw recently that you wish you had done?
I don't see films and wish that I would do them. I just see them and feel happy for the films that I'm doing.
You feel happy for the film that you're doing. This is once again hypothetical. एक सवाल मैं ले रहा हूँ आपकी इजाजत से.
सर आपको जो पूछा आप सडनली मुझसे इजाजत क्यों ले रहे हो? मैं कौन होता हूँ?
Best and worst thing about Shahid Kapoor.
Hypothetical क्यों होगा? ऐसे कुछ नहीं होगा
और
ना.
सब 50 लोग पूछ चुके हैं ये सवाल.
Okay, okay.
I think the best thing about Shahid is that he's not fake. He's a genuine guy. तो जो भी reaction वो देता है वो सब impulsively, genuinely है. That's what I love about him after being so many years, you know.
Probably the same thing you hate about me also.
Yeah, correct. That's the thing. And the same thing I hate about him is that he speaks too quickly. Sometimes he needs to filter his thought and just be chant about things.
Great, great.
The mature side of Alia.
Absolutely. I think the best rapid fire that you've ever had, Alia Bhatt. So I must congratulate
Oh, really? So have I outdone him? Outdone you, bro.
You didn't ask me good questions only. You asked such nice questions about
But I'm very
book names
obsessed
and
with
all.
book names that I've given. I'm very upset. I think I can get it.
Pretty decent. We have, since you guys have been spending a lot of time promoting and even during just filming of the movie, we have this thing about how well you guys know each other. So we have how much
We did
Shahid.
awesomely well the last time. So your
let's
questions
try.
better be cool because we are great.
Let's try that. In the treasure.
Remember that thing that
Yeah,
we
we
did?
did too,
Here
right?
only we did.
Yeah, here
Okay,
only
you were
we
both
did.
going wow and getting overexcited.
Okay, in the treasure hunt. In the treasure hunt round in Student of the Year, Alia was in Varun's team or Siddharth's team?
I feel, and this is a total matka which I am marring.
Right.
She was in Varun's team.
Siddharth's team.
Yeah.
So,
I knew it.
Yet to open your. What is this? I'm giving you a very simple one. What is Alia's Twitter handle? Please spell it.
Alia 108 or some number is there.
Are you
085 or
are you spell it? How are you spell it?
Right now she's called Shandar Alia.
No, but her Twitter handle, what is it?
ALIA and then 085 or something like that it is.
Close.
ALIAA08.
हाँ, but I was close, yeah.
एक आपने एक आपका नहीं है, ये नहीं है, उसके अलावा 5 भी आपने
Okay, तो
add
बहुत
कर दिया।
quick है।
फूट लगानी है हमारे बीच में.
I'm enjoying this.
Which film of Alia had this dialogue? मैं तो पैदा ही hot हुई थी.
You like this film?
I will.
No, the next film that you like.
Mistakes.
अरे.
Okay. This was critically acclaimed film of 2014 that had a blink and miss appearance of Alia. Name the film.
He doesn't know.
2014.
Yeah.
Which is the cameo.
Okay, production house is the same. Fast Phantom. Released in December.
Released in December.
You're doing something with that same director.
He's playing the villain in one of the films.
कुछ ज़्यादा ही दे दे अभी.
Red Velvet.
No.
December 2014.
Ugly.
Oh, you were in Ugly?
He doesn't know
I
that.
had no
Nobody
idea she
knew
was
this.
in Ugly. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
One small gap.
So let's start with Alia Bhatt. When is Shahid Kapoor's birthday?
Hey, yaar, easy ones you're asking her, yeah. Okay.
No, give more difficult questions.
Okay, Dil To Pagal Hai, Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam, Taal. Which one film out of the 3 didn't feature Shahid?
Say that again.
Hey, these are easy questions.
हाँ,
Dil
हाँ.
To Pagal Hai, Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam, Taal.
Oh, I know.
Humdil.
हाँ, correct. How many films has Shahid done with Amrita Rao?
Viva. Obviously his first film, Ishq Vishk. Bas, 2 films.
4.
How?
Ishq Vishk, War Life To Hosi, Shikhar and Viva.
Acha, Shikhar, I forgot. This Wild Life, I didn't even know.
Okay, what does R in R Rajkumar stand for?
Rambo.
Romeo.
This is actually the right
Romeo.
answer.
Actually उन्होंने change किया था.
फिल्म में तो रोमियो था.
अच्छा.
Okay, in Viva, Shahid belonged to Delhi while Amrita Rao belonged to which place?
I don't.
मेरे को भी याद नहीं आ रहा है कुछ
हाँ.
माधवपुर.
माधव.
But I was शायद के बारे में हमने तो के बारे में. के बारे में पूछो ना. Where he from?
अगर आप एक सवाल पूछना चाहें.
No, you to ask now. Why did he ask? You to ask.
Which was a film directed by. Which was the film he starred in that was directed by his father?
Mosam.
अरे these are very easy ones. What is this?
Yes, don't think.
Okay, now we have a few fan questions. There are too many of them. Let's have a few of them.
Yeah, please let's have.
This is for Alia. How was the experience of working with Shahid and his dad? This is Faiza from Sharjah.
Faiza, it was a lovely experience. I think working with both of them in one scene was very entertaining, and when working with both of them separately, just me and Shahid, just Pankaj sir, was very enriching because I got to learn so much from both of them.
Okay, this is Sagar Jadhav from Ahmedabad. Is it true that you are the new brand ambassador of Samsung? Are you the new brand ambassador of Samsung by any chance?
Can I comment or can I not? I can't comment. Sorry.
This is Chahana, Chhana from Calcutta. For Alia, how do you define happiness?
Chahana, I think happiness for me is a peace of mind, peaceful state of mind.
Mahi from Srinagar, Kashmir. For Shahid, will you miss Jhalak?
Oh yes, very much. I had a lot of fun on it, and I realized that when you work on something like that where you meet every week, you become like a little family. And I'm going to miss everyone on that show, and I really enjoyed doing it.
Alright, Zoya from Lucknow, India. Do you ever feel pressurized to live up to your fans' expectations? Do you feel pressurized?
Of course I feel pressurized. I feel pressurized every day because I don't want to disappoint anybody, and of course definitely not you all, and of course myself. So of course I feel pressurized, but it's all good pressure. It keeps me going.
Okay, we keep on hearing all these big announcements of your next movie and everything. I think you must be booked till I think 2020 or something like that. The sort of movies that you're having. But do you find it exciting that so many people they're so keen on working with you, and you're having like almost everyone, Shah Rukh Khan,
yeah, and you don't have
Shahid
time for
Kapoor
any actors. And how does that feel like? To be like always in demand and never have time for people. How's that feeling?
What about people not having time for me?
People always have time.
No, but I think she is,
people.
frankly speaking, she has been extremely nice to you. She's your bodyguard and everything. Huh?
Bodyguard?
Seriously.
Where?
So many events you've seen the way she stands
Yeah,
up for you.
protection
Seriously.
दिया है.
वो तो मैंने सवाल भी नहीं पूछा actually.
से event पे यार.
इसलिए मैं hypothetically पूछ रहा हूँ बार-बार इजाज़त नहीं.
Hypothetically. It's become a hypothetical interview. No, but to answer that question, it feels very great, and I think who was this question by? Sorry.
Shayana, I believe.
Shayana, I think this.
No, this is Zoya from Lucknow.
Okay, Zoya, I feel the credit goes to you and everybody out there who has been so supportive and so loving to me, and of course all the directors that I've worked with. So thank you so much, and I hope that I keep making you feel happy.
Elenia from Hanover, Germany. Shahid Kapoor, Shandar will be screened in Germany. A few words for that.
I have so much love for all the people who have supported me in Germany, and I was very surprised to know the number of people that are there that have that are appreciative of my work, and I actually discovered it through Facebook and Twitter and other mediums. It's really awesome to know that people out there in Germany, that all of you watch our movies and like my work, and huge amounts of love. I hope I can come there sometime and actually get to interact with all of you. But thank you for all your love and support, and I hope that I can give you more and more films that will live up to your expectations.
हमने जर्मनी में शूट भी किया है.
जी, now we have this dialogue in the movie, too hot, OMG. नहीं किया. Okay, too hot, OMG. When
Not Germany, sorry.
अच्छा.
Frankfurt में land करके drive.
हाँ, no, we drove through Berlin. Yeah.
So you have this dialogue in the promo, that too hot, OMG, and totally.
Oh yeah, I don't have it. The girls have it.
The girls are having
Yeah.
it that way. So what has been your experience on Twitter, that crazy female fan following that Shahid?
Fanatics.
Yeah.
No, I think they're very sweet. Yeah, मुझे जो भी खबर मिलती है शानदार के बारे में उनके थ्रू ही मिलती है, because of course because they're always like posting pictures, every move they track, and I think it's very sweet. I think सब लोग बहुत दुखी हो गए जब Shahid was a closed shop.
Yeah, I can. Trust me, I've got many.
I think everybody felt very, very bad, but they were also so supportive and so happy. I constantly see them saying such positive things about Meera, and also very sweet.
Yeah,
like it's very like happy for them, for his life in general.
In fact, you know, I know him much before than what I know you personally.
Okay.
And the experience that I've had with his fan is that they're extremely cultured and very, very nice.
Like him.
They're never. I personally feel,
Yeah.
from my experience, that fans are a reflection of the actor that
Yeah,
they're following.
yeah.
They're extremely cultured. They're never rude. They're very
Yeah.
polite always. So, which is, I think, you
It's
are
a bit-
lucky in a way.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm
I
very
completely
lucky. No, I
agree.
always
So,
feel I'm very, very lucky
Ji,
with
absolutely. Adnan Ahmad Hashmi from Pakistan. Please, can you confirm your upcoming projects?
Who's that question?
This is Adnan Ahmad Hashmi for you.
For you? Okay.
Yeah.
Adnan, I am just doing a film called Shandar, which is out on the 22nd of October. Then I'm doing a film called Urta Punjab with again me and Alia and Kareena and Diljit in it. That will come out sometime next year. Then I'm doing a film called Rangoon with Vishal Bhardwaj, which will have me, Saif and Kangana. And I'm doing a film with Vikramaditya Motwani, which we will talk about a little later.
Okay, where Anurag Kashyap is playing the villain. Okay. This is Arohi from Bangalore. Do you suffer from sleepwalking by any chance? This is your fan.
Is it a hypothetical question?
No, no.
I don't.
Psychotic questions come for you.
I don't know because I'm a weirdo.
I am a very
Suffer
strong.
from sleepwalking.
But
I think she must be imagining hypothetically you sleepwalking and finding it entertaining. So
But
she wants you to be a sleepwalker.
I am a sleep mover. Meaning I move in my bed.
Nobody who's not a mover during sleep. Nobody sleeps like a dead body.
But I
moves.
fully move.
Fully move means you go like a clock. Or
Yeah. But like when I'm alone.
Interesting information, Alia. But
Okay, just last question.
When
This
she's
is
Case
Rashi
India.
Giria from Kolkata for Shahid. What is a similar characteristic between Jagjinder and Shahid Kapoor?
He's hot. I mean, both are hot. Sorry, I don't know why I answered that.
I'm happy with that.
But I was
answer.
staring
I'll
at
never
you.
be able to say it.
I was
So-
staring, looking so good, yeah, Shahid.
Okay, but would you
Yeah,
like to add to
handsome
it, Shahid Kapoor?
Sorry?
Just like that, would you like to add to this similarity that you feel?
We both like riding bikes.
You both love.
इसमें कोई डबल मीनिंग नहीं
आज फरीदुन कुछ आया है मूड में.
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
कुछ वाइब है. कुछ ऐसा.
You both.
देखिए,
आ रहा है या कुछ ले रहा है तू ऐसा.
I'm just
कुछ
just
लड्डू.
quickly going to the next question actually. Who is the most fun to work with, Shahid or Pankaj sir? Gur from Bangalore.
Controversial brother.
Are you asking me?
Good.
I'm asking you.
Who is the most fun to work with, Shahid or Pankaj sir?
Yeah.
But if I can work with Shahid and Pankaj sir together, why would I want to choose between one of them?
Choose it.
Okay, I will choose Pankaj sir.
Yeah, I like that. This is more prompt actually.
Diplomatic.
Yeah. All right. So, any last thoughts on Shandar? Your any experience that is memorable for you? The shooting. that you'd like to share?
It's the mad world of Vikas Behel and his interpretation of what a destination wedding would be all about. It's full of some very mad characters.
Ji.
Although we have promoted this film largely as a Shahid Alia film,
Ji.
there is a lot more in this film, and there are a lot more characters, and there's a lot more to discover in the
Absolutely.
film.
Yeah. Sanjay
And
Kapoor is looking very interesting.
Sanjay Kapoor is looking interesting. Dad and Sana are there in the film, and there are a lot of other very interesting characters.
Ji,
The
ji,
Mummy Ji's character is very, very nice.
Yeah.
Right.
And there's a lot to look forward to in the film, so I'm really excited. This is our next big release, and we're both very, very excited and nervous and like that at the same time. So please go check it out on the 22nd of October. Alia, would you like to?
You plan to share notes with? I'm sorry to just come in. Just share notes with Amir Khan because Ayla was something was more associated
know.
with him till now.
I don't know if
This
you
is
even
that
know.
now you have killed it actually. Ayla,
I
will
will.
you agree or not? Ayla Alia, the way she's very naturally she says.
I don't think I will, but I don't think I'll agree with that. I don't think we can compare that Amir Khan to this because it's a completely
But
different.
I'm saying something factually that he was the one.
Yeah, you just said us be inspired by him.
Inspired by. Okay, thank you very much for being on Board
Thank you,
Hangama.
thank
And
you.
looking forward to Shandar for
Thank
sure
you,
and
thank
all the
you.
future
Thank
releases.
you.
Thanks a lot. That's all we have from Board Hangama. Keep on watching.
Yeah.